proud to announce the SRP, the MSRP of these two models. For the base model, it's 1,190,000. Both bikes. So, multi-threaded V2 base model and the Panigale V2 base model is at 1,190,000. And then for the S model, both bikes also. So, the Panigale V2 S and the multi-threaded V2S, it's 1,365,000. So we are accepting pre-book already. So if you want, So the availability of the bike, the arrival is by July 2025.
July.
Okay.
Yeah.
So those are pretty good prices, huh? For Ducati bikes, that's actually a very
Strada guys, 1.190. So mas pinagana to. 9 kilograms lang daw. Ang gaan nito ha. Touring bike. Grabe. Guys. Yan o, naka-holding siya guys. What's that? Makaangas. Iba talaga pag kulay ng Ducati no guys. Di ko lang kung dinig ako may music eh. Ayan o, pulang-pula guys o. Ducati guys. So ito yung release ngayon na 2025 model ni Ducati. Multistrada B2 guys. Pwedeng pan-touring. 1.190 lang. Dalawa yung disc brake niya sa harapan. Siyempre automatic ang Brembo yan guys. Ducati. Angas no? Tapos doon naman tayo sa isang re-release nila na B2 rin na Panigale. Ayan o, Panigale B2 guys. Ganda. Pwede na pagkapula guys. Pulang-pula. Yan yung pula niya guys. So iba talaga pag Ducati. Panigale B2. S pala to. Ayan o. All-ins o. Brembo. Grabe. Yung may butso niya guys. So talaga yung Ducati signature niya. Grabe no. So available to sa July 2025. All-ins oh. Grabe. Nakatestan ko na ng Panigale guys. Iba talaga yung power nito. Tapos ito B2. Pwede lightweight daw. Ganda guys. Yung harapan niya.
Alright, for those of you up to the desk, and we will distribute. Once again, to the media members here at the Ducati booth, head on down
upside down
to the desk, and we will give you the media kit.
Solid oh. Ganda. Brembo din yung kanya. Yung ano nyo. Brake master guys. Ganda na Ducati no guys. Grabe! Multistrada guys, B2, pinagaan at pinamura, 1.190. Kasi yung isa guys, oh. Grabe no, guwapo, Ducati. So, dito yan sa makina guys. At kung gusto nyo makita, hanggang sila 4, 5, 6 hanggang Sunday sila guys. Let's go!